What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be fixing a old cargo cover for my Honda Civic EF, but you can do this with any Integra or Honda covers or probably any cargo cover. So what I've got is some ribbon about 2 inches wide. I got this from Walmart for $2 and some change, and I got this for like $2 and some change. So for under $5 you can fix your cargo cover. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So first off, the problem that I'm having, you can see where this thing is separating right down the middle, all the way down. It hasn't completely pulled apart yet, but it is like on its way out the door. So I picked this up for 50 bucks, which is a pretty good deal for an EF cargo cover since they're so rare to find. So anyway, so I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Let's flip this thing over. Okay, so on the back side, you can see where it attaches. Here's the split where it's going to have to bend. So what we're going to do is take us a piece of ribbon. I got the ribbon, yes, it's blue, it's not black, but it's going to be on the back side, and this is the only darkest color I could find at Walmart when I went. So we're just going to cut us a piece long enough. I went with this ribbon because this one was kind of thick. It seemed more durable than some of the other ribbon that they had, and it was wide, so I like that. So basically what we're going to do, now that we got us a piece cut the length of it, we're going to put this on the ribbon first, and then we're going to stick it to it. Okay, so let's open this. This thing's pretty much ready to use right out the package. You don't even have to pop a hole in it or nothing. So we're going to get some of the air out of it. So now we're going to run this. I'm going to run 2 lines. I'm going to run it about 1/4 inch off the edges. I'm going to run 1 line on each end, and then we're going to flip it over and stick it to it. So I ran me 2 lines on both sides, or on both edges, and you might want to do this outside in a well ventilated area. This stuff's pretty strong smelling, so you might want to take this outside when you do this. Okay, so now we're going to flip this over. Alright, so push it together first, stick it on one side, and once you got it stuck together how you want it, stick the other side. Alright, so here's the final product. You can see it's not 100% perfect, but it's not falling apart. And if I undo this and I want to pull this out, I can now remove the cargo cover. You can hold it with one hand and it doesn't fall apart. So it is doing the job just fine. There is one issue I have to note. If you do it the way that I did it, I can only pick up on it this far. I should have left more slack on the ribbon itself. So I might go ahead and redo that, but just as a heads up, it does the job. It looks fine. At least it's not falling apart now. And I can take it out of the car without being afraid of it. But yeah, so if you do it, just leave a little bit more slack in your ribbon.